Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to be fixing a very unusual dish. I didn't make the name up. I came across it and I just thought it would be fun to make and get Dave's reaction. So tonight I'm going to be making Monkey Gland Sauce. I can guarantee there are no body parts of monkeys in this sauce. I will give the history of it down in the description below. What all goes into monkey gland sauce? 1 onion chopped, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1/2 cup of water, 1 small can of chopped and peeled tomatoes, 1 cup ketchup, 1/2 cup Worcestershire sauce, 3/4 cup of spicy chutney, 6 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, and oil for frying. So let's begin. So get a saucepan, turn the heat on to medium, let it heat up, then add some oil. When the oil's all heated up, we'll add our onions and our minced garlic. And we'll saute that until it is soft and lightly caramelized. All right, so the onions are just starting to turn to a light brown color. We'll add all the other ingredients, the 1/2 cup of water. And I don't know what they mean by small can. This is the smallest I've seen, so we'll add the small can of tomatoes, the 1 cup of ketchup, the 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, the 3/4 cup of spicy chutney, the 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and the 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And we'll mix that all up and let it heat through. Once it is heated through, we'll turn it down on low to a simmer. All right, so the sauce is heated through. We'll turn it down to low and let it simmer for 30 minutes. All right, so the monkey gland sauce is done. It reduced down by about half. And what you use that for is you either put it over hamburger or a steak. We are poor, so we're going to have baked hamburgers. And if you want an extra kick, you can add a little Tabasco sauce. So here is the monkey gland sauce poured over a baked hamburger. And rounding out the meal is spicy West African fried rice. I'll let Dave do a taste test.
It's got a, I don't know, a bit of like a sweet flavor to it.
You want to know what you're eating?
What is it?
Monkey gland sauce over baked hamburgers.
Well, I guess it tasted good till I knew what it was, so I guess I still like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.